बरतानिया के वजीर आजम केर स्टारमर, जर्मनी के चांसलर फ्रेडरिक मिर्ज और कनाडा के वजीर आजम फ्रांसीसी सदर मैक्रोन और तुर्क सदर एर्दोआन समेत 20 ममालिक के सरबराहान शरीक हैं। और इस वक्त वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं सदर ट्रंप के बाद। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
प्रेसिडेंट फजल सीसी of Egypt, Majesties, Highnesses, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good evening. Well, I would say today is one of the greatest days in contemporary history, because peace has been achieved after untiring efforts led by President Trump, who is genuinely a man of peace, who has relentlessly and untiringly worked throughout these months, day in and day out, to make this world a place to live with peace and prosperity. I would say that Pakistan had nominated President Donald Trump for Nobel Peace Prize for his outstanding, extraordinary contributions to first stop
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे। आप खिताब देख रहे थे। ट्रंप की तारीफ की उन्होंने सदर ट्रंप की। इस हवाले से एक बहुत जो अहम है ये कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है जिसमें दस्तखत कर दिए गए
फॉर नोबेल पीस प्राइज, बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली फील दैट ही इज द मोस्ट genuine and most wonderful candidate for Peace Prize, because he has brought not only peace in South Asia, saved millions of people, their lives, and today here in Sharm el-Sheikh, achieving peace in Gaza is saving millions of lives in the Middle East.
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का खिताब देख रहे हैं। इस वक्त सेटेलाइट कनेक्शन की वजह से जो सिलसिला है वो मुनक़ता हुआ है। जैसे खिताब वापस आएगा हम आपको दिखाएंगे। इस वक्त बड़ी पेशरफ्त हुई है और इस इजलास में इसराइल और ईरान के रहनुमाओं को भी शिरकत की दावत दी गई थी। ताहम इसराइली वज़ीर आज़म के दफ्तर ने मजहबी त्यौहार की बुनियाद पर शिरकत से मुआज़रत कर ली, जबकि ईरान के वज़ीर ख़ारिजा अब्बास इराक़ची ने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत के हवाले से कहा कि वो और ईरानी सदर दोनों मिस्र में होने वाले इस इजलास की दावत कबूल नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो उन लोगों के साथ नहीं बैठ सकते जिन्होंने ईरान पर हमला किया।
Very hard, along with others, to achieve peace in this region. My very dear brother, President Tayyip Erdogan, His Majesty, King Abdullah, and of course my very dear brother, Mohammed bin Zayed of UAE, and of course my very dear brother, Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, and he has also been very, very helpful and contributed very valuably in this wonderful peace process. Ladies and gentlemen, I wouldn't want to take more of your time. Suffice it to say, had it not been for this gentleman, not only, who knows, India and Pakistan are both nuclear powers. Had he not intervened along with his wonderful team, during those 4 days, the war could have escalated to a level who would have lived to tell what happened. And similarly, here in this part of the world, in the Middle East, Mr. President, your valuable contribution along with President Sisi, I think history will remember in golden words. I wouldn't say more except God bless you, God give you long life to serve like this for all time to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Very kind. Thank you. Wow, I didn't expect that. Let's go home. There's nothing more I have to say. Goodbye, everybody. That was really beautiful and beautifully delivered. Wow, thank you very much. Also with us is President Prabowo, a very incredible man of Indonesia. President, come on.